Hey YouTube, this is the Pokemon Enthusiast here, and today I have a pretty cool X and Y Furious Fist blister pack here with a nice Genesect purple shiny coin here and what looks like a shiny Slurpuff Black Star promo. And I'm going to show you the back. Nice, one of my favorite Pokemon here, Mega Lucario. And I'm going to open up the package and show you all three packs. Then let's get right into it. I'm going to open it up real quick. Excuse me. While I get my handy dandy pocket knife here. Being very careful not to puncture any of the packs. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like my video. Why are these things always so difficult to get into? Right, now we're getting somewhere. I always like the Furious Fist packs. They always have pretty decent pulls. Let's go ahead and take out this promo card. Show you that. And the coin. Show you the coin first. Oh, there went my card. There we go. And if you want to see me pull that Mega Charizard EX Secret Rare, you can look at my last video. Here you guys go. The rare. Well, to me, I like the coin. It's nice, not real nice purple on there, nice and shiny. Set that to the side. And here's the Slurpuff. It is a Black Star promo, X and Y 15. Yes, nice card there. Okay, then we have three Furious Fist packs. We have a Tyrantrum on the front. Very nice artwork on all of these packs, I think. Haluncha, and Mega Lucario. I think I'll save that pack for last, just because. And I'll start with Haluncha first. If you want, you can comment below and tell me what your favorite Pokemon is and why that may be. Alright, let's get started. We have a Slackoff, have a Cubchoo, Squirrelpie, an Eevee, I have so many of those, a Patrat, ooh, a Dedenne, ooh, a Mountain Ring, finally, those have been escaping me, a Weeping Bell, for the, I forget what this is called, ooh, a Flygon Reverse Holo, that's a rare, so not a bad pull to start, and a Politoed, non-holo rare, so not a bad pack right there. Got a Flygon. Not too bad for a first opener. Next we have our Tyrantrum here. The Pat Red on the front. Code card to the sun. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, let's get started. We got a Patrat, Eevee, a Scraggy, a Minun, a Clauncher, a Sailfossil, a Raichu, a Vigoroth, a Trapinch, which is an uncommon. Nice reverse holo there. For the rare, it looks like a Thundurus, non-holo. So not bad. Hoping we can pull something out of this Mega Lucario pack. Card 1, 2, 3. Okay, here we go. We got a Electabuzz, got a Lickitung, a Noibat, a Plusle, Trapinch, Full Heal, a Tyrant, Vibrava. For the reverse holo is a Hitmonlee, which is an uncommon card. And for the rare in this video, Ooh, that's a ultra rare. What? And it's a Haloncha EX. So very nice pulls. Very nice. I do not have one of these. Very nice. Alright, if you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you, YouTube. Alright, see you guys later. This is the Pokemon Enthusiast. See you guys later. Thank you.